of Technology Private Limited. We have all gathered to celebrate the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. First and foremost, I wish to welcome our beloved Rector, Father, friend of youth and lover of music who has graced us with his presence here on this special occasion. In my opinion, he is like an umbrella to Don Bosco Center because he protects and uploads the Bosco Soft with the utmost care and support, and his understanding, support and confident qualities make us inspiring too. Thank you, Father Rector, for the being an inspiration. Welcome, Father. It's my immense joy and pleasure to welcome our CEO and Managing Director, Father Thaddeus, for his endless commitments to the growth of Bosco Soft and Bosco Ideas. In my opinion, he is like a basement on which Bosco Soft and Bosco Ideas have been built with hundreds of projects, products, associates and families. Thank you, Father, for being our guiding light and keeping our spirits high. We are and we will be grateful for your contribution. Welcome, Father. I take pride in welcoming our friend and guide, Father Arul, Assistant Director of Bosco Soft, who has been with his encouragement, guidance and support in our endeavors of our units. Welcome, Father. It's my privilege to welcome Father Robert, Administrator and the Parish Priest of DBC, Father Xavier, Dean of Don Bosco College, and brothers for their gracious presence and continuous support to the Bosco Soft. Welcome, fathers and brothers. Undoubtedly, I'm very fortunate to welcome our business managers and project managers, the pillar of Bosco Soft and Bosco Ideas. Really, their experience, knowledge, skill set, guidance and support are to mold us the technologies and in life too. Welcome, sir and madam. I don't think I am eligible enough to appreciate the talent and the excellence with our words for our performers of the day. I welcome to entertainers to give their best on the stage. Lastly, I extend my gratitude to the families, well-wishers and our beloved associates of Bosco Soft and Bosco Ideas present with us today. Because Bosco Soft is on high because your untiring work, unconditional love, care and support. Heartily welcome to you all. And without further delay, let us begin Bosco Soft Christmas 2020 with the first performance. Thank you.
அவர் எந்த டீம்?